Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing two trail cameras from Amazon as well as showing the setup and sample footage from both cameras. First camera is the IZEEKER IG 220. It is a 36 megapixel 2.7K trail camera. And what's unique about this camera is that it has a built-in solar charger and a battery pack, and also has a battery compartment for backup batteries. This is one of the easiest cameras that I have ever used. Just insert an SD card, format it in the camera, and pick your video and photo settings. From there, the camera will start a countdown and is ready to use. The second camera is the IZEEKER IG 500. It is a cellular camera powered off a solar panel and connects right to your phone. It's also very simple to set up. Just insert the included SIM card and SD card and it's ready to go. I'm going to put both cameras facing the feeder to see what game it attracts.
Strap it to this tree here. Gonna mount it right under the spy point, or right on top of the spy point, to see if there's any change in what it sees. Can you hold that right there? Alrighty, let's open her up and turn her on. And that's it, it's ready to go. Alright, check back in a few days.
The cellular camera requires a bit more setup, but all the hardware is included in the box.
Alright, and just slides on just like that. And it clips right into place.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it does look pretty cool. Okay. Alright. There we go. Got our solar panel hooked up. Now I gotta find out where it's supposed to plug in. Right. Alright. Now turn it on. There's a little flick right here. And it's a on button and a reset button. Just hold that button down for a few seconds. A little light should turn on, little red light. Perfect. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's pretty quiet.
Yeah, that's silent.
Look at that. It's alrighty.
I'll check back on the cameras in a few days. Time to do some hunting.
I don't.
Alright, so it's been a few days, so I'm heading out now to check on the cameras.
Alright, let's check it.
Here's some sample footage that I got from the IZEEKER IG 220. The night vision actually works pretty well. The cameras also showed that the deer don't like to share their corn with the raccoon. The cellular camera was sending me live feed all week. The app allows you to look in any direction and record videos or take photos. It will detect motion and send alerts right to your phone. And yes, there's night vision on this camera as well. The links to both these cameras are in the description below. Thanks for watching.